A builder in Hyderabad with a beautiful 800-unit residential project, good location, great construction, competitive pricing. But 6 months after launch, only 11 units sold. His portal leads were going cold, his sales team was exhausted, and his bank EMIs were piling up. Builder wasn't failing because his project was bad. He was failing because no one was preparing his buyers. This is the silent crisis most builders face today, and nobody talks about it honestly. You invest crores into land, construction, approvals, and marketing. You list on every portal, you run Facebook ads, you hire a sales team. But the buyer who walks in, he's confused. He doesn't know his loan eligibility. He's scared of legal issues. He's heard stories of properties stuck in court. He's been burned before or knows someone who has. So he hesitates, he delays, he disappears. And your inventory keeps sitting. The problem was never your project. The problem is an unprepared buyer. Then the builder was introduced to HRCS India. And within 90 days, 34 more units were booked. Not because of more ads, not because of a price cut, but because for the first time, serious right loan verify customers were walking into his site. HRCS India is not a property portal. It is India's most trusted property and finance matchmaking ecosystem. HRCS India, Architects of Verified India Movement. 21 years of real estate expertise, RERA certified in Telangana and Karnataka, 70+ successfully supported projects, a 98% customer satisfaction rate. Operating across Hyderabad and Bengaluru with one singular mission: connect the verified customers to the right project with financing already solved. The HRCS solution, how it works. Here is exactly how HRCS India transforms your sales pipeline. First, we get your project APF approved across all major banks. This one step alone makes your project instantly trustworthy and loan eligible in every serious buyer's eyes. Second, before a buyer ever visits your site, our team has already assessed their income, compared bank offers, and locked in the best loan scheme for them. They arrive financially ready. Third, we educate every buyer on legal verification, RERA compliance, and title clarity. So instead of a hesitant visitor, you get a confident, committed buyer. And throughout, your dedicated HRCS sales desk manages leads, follows up daily, and sends you consolidated reports. You always know where every deal stands. Builder benefits. When the builder partnered with HRCS India, 3 things changed immediately. His conversion rate doubled, his sales cycle shortened by half, and his project gained a reputation for being verified, trusted, and bank-ready, which brought in more serious referral buyers on its own. That's the HRCS India advantage. You stop spending on random leads, you stop chasing cold inquiries. Your project becomes the destination, not just an option. In Indian real estate today, the builders who win are not just the ones with the best projects. They are the ones who build the deepest buyer trust fastest. HRCS India is how you do that. Visit hrcsindia.com or call 970-400-4000 right now. Because somewhere out there, your next 50 bookings are waiting. They just need HRCS India to bring them to you. HRCS India. Trusted projects, verified customers, faster sales.